Hello everybody and welcome to another Tool Talk. My name is Josh with Melfred Borzall, and today we're going to be talking about the newest generation in HDD's most trusted bit.
The original Eagle Claw was the first to introduce a balanced cutting design that prevents vibration up the drill rod.
But as drillers encountered increasingly difficult hard ground conditions, we made improvements to the Eagle Claw to meet those demands.
For example, the check valve was a revolutionary improvement to hard ground bits that helps prevent fluid ports from becoming plugged. Later generations of the Eagle Claw introduced increased wear protection and contouring to the profile to reduce drag on pullback, and also straight through cutter knockout holes for easier removal of the cutter teeth.
Today we announce the next generation of Eagle Claws. Meaner, tougher, and simply better than any rock bit out there. Upgraded from carbide buttons, we have now integrated solid blocks of dome carbides.
This means two things. With tighter contacts between carbides, there is greater protection against wear on the body.
Second, when the time comes to replace those carbides, the entire block can be removed, then welded back into place, restoring your Eagle Claw to its full strength. So taking that same principle and benefit of carbides on the body, we have added even more conical blocks on the upper back side of the body.
The lower dome carbides work together with the upper rear conical carbides to provide better steering control and aggressive cutting action. What happens is the dome carbides provide a pushing motion against the wall pack. And as those carbides push, the conical carbides on the reverse side are receiving more cutting power.
The other main upgrade we made was to the cutter teeth options. We added a fourth. This one is a chunky hard-faced conical carbide. It also keeps the tooth rotating so that there's even wear on the tooth.
So I wanted to check in the field with a driller that is actually experiencing hard ground conditions and using the Eagle Claw SD. I was able to catch up with Josh with CNR, and this is how our conversation went.
It is light years better than the old style. We probably have altogether, 40,000 feet on them since Steve's been getting them to us, and I don't think we've replaced the teeth in one yet. They hold up incredible. We bored a lot of stuff with that Eagle Claw that we had to hammer with, PC-88 excavators to get down to. Even we have a couple 135s, Komatsus and stuff. I mean, they wouldn't even dig some of the stuff we were drilling with the Eagle Claw. So they're impressive. I mean, we have 3 AT drills, and it's definitely saved us a lot of rock drilling. I don't know if it's there's a lot more carbide on the bit itself, and around the tips of the teeth. But it just they don't wear. These are impressive. Whenever we first bought them, the first shot I drilled was, they spent a day and a half hammering a hole down 5 foot deep to get to the pipe to set a manhole. Yeah, we started a 200 or 180,000 foot job in June, and we finished it up last week. So the majority of that job has been using the new style Eagle Claws. Like I said, these new ones, we haven't got to the point where we've worn one completely out yet. And we put lots of pipe in the ground. If you ever have anybody question them, I'd recommend them to anybody for sure.
So to sum it all up, this Eagle Claw, the Eagle Claw SD, offers unparalleled performance in hard and rocky ground conditions thanks to the engineering of twice as many carbides in crucial placement to provide longer wear life and greater aggression.
Thanks everybody for watching today, and remember, nothing bores like a Borzall.